Cheese. Hey, what's a kitty cat say? What's a puppy dog say? Say. No, just sit down. What's a bird say? What's a bird say? Do you remember? What's a bird say? What's a cow say? Moo. Moo. What's a duck say? Quack quack. What's a pig say?
Poo.
What's poo say?
Poo.
Yeah. What's Sabriel say? What's Ariana say?
Cat.
Yeah.
Duck.
Yeah.
So.
What's Mammy say? What's Mammy say?
Ow.
Mammy doesn't say meow. Mammy says
Meow.
meow.
Moo.
Moo. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Emerson. Yucky.
Yucky. Hey, do you like to go night night?
Night night.
Do you like to go night night?
Do you like to go night night?
I guess we've lost our.
I don't like.
Oh yeah, I bet it's your turn.
Yeah, the Atticus. Come on, Atticus. Come on, let's
Go sit with Emerson.
listen. We have stories together. Not to watch you, Emerson. Let's see the story. Emerson. Ni hao.
Ni hao. Who are you, Kylan?
Yes. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Okay, whoa. You're making me dizzy, chick.
Yeah.
How old are you?
This old.
And when's your birthday?
On April 2nd.
And are you going to have a birthday party?
Yes. 5, 7, 8.
You're going to be 5, 7, 80.
I'm going to be 5 for my birthday. Now, Atticus' turn.
Alright, y'all say goodbye. I got to go take care of the baby.
It's 5.
No,